Unfortunately, he's not getting a fully functional computer tonight. But yeah, he'll just have to wait. Hopefully he gets his new RAM, new shiny brand new DDR4 RAM tomorrow instead and can start, I don't know, playing games, or I don't know what he's even doing with his computer, but you can figure it out yourself. And we're exporting. So good morning everyone. Actually been up for quite some time already. It's almost 1. I'm now gonna go eat with my friend because my girlfriend's actually been up for only an hour or something like that. So she just had breakfast and I had breakfast 4 hours ago. So if I had to wait for her to get hungry, I'd starve. So that's why I'm gonna go eat with my friends and then we're gonna eat later with my girlfriend.
Tell me all decided you don't trust me. Tell me with no warning you don't love me.
For some reason they have the street lights turned on. I don't know why. And there are some cops stopping someone, then I don't know, road work and more road work. What's going on here today? Okay, lunch is now done. I'm wrapping up this video for my brother, but I actually just got a message from my friend saying that his computer parts got here. So tonight we're building his computer. He actually got all the parts except for the RAM. I'm debating whether or not I should just give him a RAM for a few days, so might do that, but we're gonna go build his computer later today. But first, let's wrap up this video. Okay, so the wedding video is now done. I'm actually super happy with how it turned out. I think it turned out amazing myself. Unfortunately, I can't link it because my brother doesn't want it to show to everyone. Like, it's cool that I can show you guys some parts, but I don't want to show you guys everything, and my brother didn't want to show this, so hopefully you'll understand it.
Myself, how can I start up all over again? How can we go to the very beginning? Cause look, baby, I just don't want it to end. No, I'm not begging, darling, please.
Next up, I'm actually getting some RAM out of this computer. This is my old computer, which I used before my MacBook, but I still keep it because I know this works great. So I will keep it until I have a use for it. There's no point in selling it. And then whenever I need another computer, if I need an export computer and I can't have my computer running at full, well, for any reason, I would need a secondary computer, or mine breaks and I need a computer. Then I have this computer as a backup. Because selling it at a huge loss, there really is no point in doing it. One second. What do you call this thing in English? This white protective stuff that always makes a mess no matter how carefully you pull on it. I have no idea what it's called. So I'm actually getting for my friend 2 RAM sticks because we're building his computer tonight. And his RAM hasn't actually got here. He's got all other parts, but he hasn't got his RAM yet.
Why is it when we're looking for memories we always think of the bad ones? No, I'm not the enemy, you keep forgetting we had love. I wanna remember the good.
Now that we're on the subject, one of the things I love about switching from Windows to Mac is installing applications and updating them. This is how you update Spotify. Update available, restart now, and you're done. If you've ever updated an application on Windows, well, compare for yourself. Hey. Okay, let's see if these actually fit.
Putting on the RAM.
No, it doesn't fit.
It doesn't.
No.
No! No!
Okay, since these RAM sticks are a few years old, they actually don't fit. As you can see, this little notch right here should line up perfectly with this pin, but it doesn't, so he's not getting a functioning computer today. So this is what we got. It's like almost 100% finished except for RAM, which he doesn't have, so yeah. I mean, we tried putting my RAM in, but they didn't fit because they're a few years old, and apparently they changed it up. They did fit on the width, they were the exact same width, but this little notch in the middle were actually in a different location, so yeah, didn't work. So unfortunately he's not getting a fully functional computer tonight. But yeah, he'll just have to wait. Hopefully he gets his new RAM, new shiny brand new DDR4 RAM tomorrow instead and can start, I don't know, playing games or I don't know what he's even doing with his computer, but you can figure it out yourself.
Morjens.
Okay, so that's it for me today. It's been a really nice day. Actually, haven't done that much for the vlog, so hopefully the vlog isn't like 2 minutes, but well, you'll see. You've already seen it, but yeah, that's it for me today, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.